Gone are the days that we have to zoom into the 5-minute chart and track these 3-wave moves up and down and try to make money on that, okay? It's very, very challenging, and only the best of the best traders can consistently profit from those kinds of markets. Markets come in two flavors: ranging, consolidating, right? Ranging or consolidating, and trending, okay? It can trend up or down. You can make a lot more money in a trending market, whether up or down, rather than the ranging consolidating market. For the past 53 days, I believe it was, 57 days, we've been in a ranging consolidating market, okay? And prior to that, we were in a 73-day downtrend. If you had correctly identified this trend, this downtrend, you could have made good money just shorting, okay? If you correctly identified this, you could have, lowered your leverage a bit and really honed in on your corrective patterns, all right? Not looking for a big move left or right. Now it's the time to buy and hold. This is where even your amateurs or novice traders make money, because you don't need leverage to make money buying and holding, right? This is where we make money, right? And if you have leverage and you use leverage, use it intelligently. You swing, swing, swing. Stop scalping, okay? Swing. You hold the position for a few days, take profit, wait. You can short or you can wait, buy back. That's what we do. That's the strategy. Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is March 19th, 2022, and Bitcoin is looking like it's consolidating and getting ready for its next big move. All right. Today, we're going to discuss what Bitcoin's doing, as we do every day, okay? What you can expect in the immediate short term. And we're also going to discuss how I'm playing this upcoming up-only market, okay? This buy-the-dip market, this parabolic, upwards trending market, okay? I'm going to tell you why I think that is and how I'm going to play it. If that interests you, then watch until the very end. All right, so yesterday, we saw Bitcoin have a rally to the upside, okay? And that rally was exactly the length of the previous 5-wave trend that preceded rather the bull flag, okay? So if this is a bull flag, let's get our little channel. Where is it? It's in here. There we go. Regression trend. Okay, so this is the bull flag. This is basically, maybe it's not that wide. I didn't want all of that. Okay, let's just use some simple trend lines here. Okay, so this is our bull flag, and it's comprised of a 333 correction, WXYXZ correction, as well as a pivot. If you're confused as to what that is, watch yesterday's episode. I broke it down, okay? And so if we take the flagpole of this bull flag and then superimpose it from the base of this move, we see that the base is right there. You see it hit the target on the dot, okay? That's the beauty of pattern analysis. Sometimes it's quite accurate. All right, so we've got that move completed. So what is this? So in my estimation, this is wave 1. This is wave 2, okay? If you had to break out Elliott waves, this is simply wave 1. We're going to change the color on this. Don't worry. Wave 2. This is wave 1 of 3 I'm seeing. And this is wave 2 of 3, okay? So I'm seeing wave 2 of 3 form right now. So I'm just going to put that in right here. Wave 1 of 3, wave 2 of 3. Obviously, 3 goes much further, but I think you understand the illustration. I'm basically saying that wave 3 has started and we're on wave 2 of 3. And so we can expect a lot more upside, okay? Let's just say that wave 5 ends at the golden mean, and that is actually quite likely. All right, so let's change the color on this and let's make it blue. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts, and that's why I'm seeing it. We had an impulse out of our what was this 20-day triangle resistance, okay? And that was a very important move to break that upwards resistance. And what do you do after you break staunch resistance? You have to retest it. And that's what I believe this was, okay? Was this a perfect retest of the line? Not necessarily. It's a little short for my liking, but it seems as if Bitcoin has taken this to be the move that retests that resistance, okay? That's what I'm seeing here. We had a wave 2 correction, and it was a WXY, okay? It looks like a WXY, or maybe it's an ABC. I'm not exactly sure, okay? In any case, that's the retest of the resistance for me, and what we see subsequent to this is a pivot. So as always, you can't just change directions on any time frame. If it looks like you just changed directions, that means your time frame's too large to see the pivot. The pivot occurs every single time price changes direction, and I'm going to bring this up once more in this video. Okay, so the A wave, your B wave, and then here, what I think we're getting is some sort of leading diagonal. So 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 move. This is what I think we're getting right now. Out. I could be wrong, but I think that volume is supporting this claim because the downwards move is volume divergent, okay? Meaning that volume is not supporting any downwards price action. All the upwards price action is indeed being supported by volume. So this, to me, right here, this move is a consolidative move. And so I'm looking for a big push out of this range, okay, out of this wave 2 range to go into wave 3 of 3, okay? Now let's zoom out for a second, now that that's explained, and see where I think this 5-wave move will end. And just like I said a few moments earlier, I have this alert line, okay? This alert line is basically at the 618 of our larger trend, okay? Our larger trend was our 73-day downtrend that we experienced, okay? And so let's zoom out on the 4-hourly, and we can see that very clearly. For 73 days, right, price drew down, okay? And we had this ending diagonal, which basically 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 sets of 3 waves, all right, taking Bitcoin down from all-time high 68 all the way down to 33K, okay? Now, if you pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of this move, okay, to the bottom, and the bottom was about here, let's confirm it with the capitulative volume candle, and it was indeed here, okay? So you take the Fibonacci retracement tool, you see that the 618 lies at precisely 52K, 52.5, okay? On this chart, 52.5. We're on the log, and I think the log's important because you're going all the way from 68 to 33. You know, that needs logarithmic scale to capture all that price action, okay? So if that's indeed the case, the 618, as we know, the golden ratio, according to Elliott wave theory, the 618 is the main level that you cannot breach, okay? In a 2-wave correction, you can't breach it in an impulse. So you tend to get some resistance there, even though price may eventually pass it. And you see here, there is staunch resistance just in the market structure. You can see right here, right here. So expect some resistance there. That's why I got the alarm there, and that's why I'm anticipating our 5 waves end there, okay? If we're in wave 3 of 3, I think wave 3 goes all the way, you know, maybe to the 0.5 around there. Wave 4 comes down a little bit. Wave 5 ends there. I've got my alarm there because that's where I intend to take profits on this move. Okay, now let's segue into the next section of this today's update, right? How to play an up-only market. Okay, based on my long-term analysis, I do believe that we are in a massive uptrend. We're at the base of a massive uptrend, okay? And so I'm anticipating an up-only market, a buy-the-dip market, a market that takes Bitcoin to $1 million+, okay? A serious bull run, parabolic price action to the upside. And so the way to play it, in my estimation, is not to overtrade it. It's not to, less is more, okay? You do not want to keep buying and selling. You want to ride the trend. You do not want to take too much effort in parsing the waves and seeing which wave we're in and trying to sell at the top of wave 1, sell at the top of wave 3. No. Let the waves play out. Play the games, play the probabilities. The probabilities are such that you're likely to make mistakes if you don't correctly read the ending diagonal. You're likely to make mistakes if you don't correctly read the ending diagonal in wave 3, right? So you take profits a bit too early. You're likely to make mistakes. Zoom out, go on a little higher time frame, and look at key resistances, right? Key resistances like the 618, very likely to get rejection there. That's where I'm taking profit. Looking for then a serious rejection that, you know, would be the biggest rejections we know in Elliott waves, impulses, are the second wave, all right, wave 2 rejections. They can reject from the 382 all the way to the 618 Fibonacci retracement level. That's what I'm looking for. So, for instance, let me give you an example. Let's say this blue wave did indeed play out just like this, okay? And it's likely to some degree, play out like this only because the 618 is just such a reliable support or resistance for any trend, okay? So let's say it played out. I'm going to take the base. I'm going to take this whole move, okay? This whole Elliott wave impulse, and I'm going to take the 618. So that basically says that if this indeed did play out, it's likely that we go all the way up to 52K, 52.5K, and then reject all the way down to 43.9. Do you see what I mean? Like, the rejection, it's possible, okay? It's probable, not sort of definite. But let's say we did get a rejection all the way to the 618 of this blue impulse, okay? I said 43.9, okay? That would be around here. So you would get a move like this, and so selling this and buying that is the move, okay? And so you're saving right here. Basically, you're profiting 15%. That's how you play this up-only price action. That's how you play this type of market. You do not try to overtrade the trends, okay? Once you're in trend, play the trend, right? Ride your winners. And we tend to make more money. People tend to make more money in uptrends because you can't buy a short spot. You can spot short, meaning you buy you sell high and then you wait and then you buy lower, but you can't necessarily buy an asset to short it on without leverage. Yeah, you can't do that. So basically what I'm saying is make your money, play it easy, don't overcomplicate things, don't overthink it, buy your asset. Wait for key resistances, and key resistances typically can be ascertained from using Fibonacci retracement levels or just using general market structure. You see that in this example, it's very clear that there's resistance there, okay? And I'm seeing on this chart and other charts these these reversal patterns, right, that we've been tracking for all this time play out. They're basically generating a reaction out to the upside. And so this means market has changed. The market structure has changed. Okay. Gone are the days that we have to zoom into the 5-minute chart and track these 3-wave moves up and down and try to make money on that. Okay. It's very, very challenging. And only the best of the best traders can consistently profit from those kinds of markets. Markets come in two flavors: ranging, consolidating, right? Ranging or consolidating, and trending. Okay, it can trend up or down. You can make a lot more money in a trending market, whether up or down, rather than the ranging, consolidating market. For the past 53 days, I believe it was. 57 days, we've been in a ranging, consolidating market. Okay, and prior to that, we were in a 73-day downtrend. If you had correctly identified this trend, this downtrend, you could have made good money just shorting, okay? If you correctly identified this, you could have, lowered your leverage a bit and really honed in on your corrective patterns, all right? Not looking for a big move left or right. Now it's the time to buy and hold. This is where even your amateurs, your novice traders make money, because you don't need leverage to make money buying and holding, right? This is where we make money, right? And if you have leverage and you use it intelligently. You swing, swing, swing. Stop scalping, okay? Swing. You hold the position for a few days, take profit, wait. You can short or you can wait, buy back. That's what we do. That's the strategy. That's what I'm seeing on the charts. If you're getting value from this video, like the video, share with other people, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. I give daily updates on this channel, and I hope that was useful. Let me know what you all think about that, okay? And the last thing I'm going to say before I cut this video is, you want to buy assets that are coming out of this pattern, this reversal pattern, okay? This three sets of flat corrections, or 3 sets of, this is a triangle, for instance, so it's not a flat correction, but 3 sets of corrective moves, okay? There's 1 set, I call it the A, 2 sets B, 3 sets C section, okay? That's what you want to buy. There's some assets that have not printed this. You want to stay away from them. Quick example. Let's go into one that I bought. I bought Shiba Inu, okay? Just beautiful, 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 a beautiful chart, okay? Again, I see my reversal pattern, A wave, a B wave, and then it looks like I got a C section that was a regular A, B, C section with flat corrections, okay? And breakout. Do you see? We're breaking out right now. I bought this because I spied the reversal pattern. This is the stuff you want to buy. Just buy and hold. Maybe you want to take profit again at the 618. Do you see? I have my Fibonacci retracement tool. I've got the 618 spied of the downtrend. Probably going to take profit here, buy back on the pullback, okay? Just something like that. And the minimum pullback's 382. So this is a low intensity type work. So let's say you didn't want to sit there and babysit the charts. You just put a limit order at the 382 of the move, and you're going to get back on the train, right? These trains are fast moving. You don't want to get off at every stop, or else you're just going to miss the train, okay? Let's take another example. VRA, very popular. And everybody knows, if you're subscribed to the channel, that this is one of my plays. Once again, you see this dotted line, this alarm. Guess where it's at? It's at the 618. Do you see this? I spied a reversal pattern, A wave, B wave, A, B, boom. Actually, the B wave is composed here, right there. Breakout, okay? Maybe take profit at the 618, buy back at the 382. rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I don't even have to try to maximize my buyback by waiting for the 618. You don't want to get greedy and miss the train, because we all know wave 2 corrections can reject at the 618. Wait for the rejection, and let the market show you that it has indeed rejected before selling. Please don't just do it blindly. But this is the strategy to compound gains, to buy and hold, but at the same time, if you're a trader and you're keen on trading, still trade these swings, these positions. Okay, so that's my strategy. Here, let me give you an example of what not to do. And I said this before, maybe on the live stream. Luna. Okay, Luna. I don't necessarily think that this is something that you want to buy right now. Why? Okay, you'll see there's a 5-wave here, 5-wave move here. This is an initial break of structure, an A wave. What's this? That's a B wave. That is a complete B wave. It has 3 waves. There's a minimum retracement of 0.5 in the structure. This is a pivot. What comes after? 5 waves down. This is something you don't buy. There is no reversal pattern there. There is no signs of continued upwards price action. So use your charting skills to know what to buy and what not to buy. Most things are a buy, but some aren't. Figure out what that is and make a lot of money. This is when we make the most money, okay? Just be smart during this period. Don't overtrade. Have fun. Spend time with your family and enjoy. And I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.